So in this session, we're going to go through how you can create a slideshow with audio instructions for pupils to follow. This is a really useful tool for remote learning or for flipped classrooms, as it allows you to give more advanced instructions that explain each of your personal slides as if you were there for pupils. The first thing to realize is that PowerPoint does not have the capability of doing this on your iPad. You need to use the app Keynote. That's the blue app with the white lectern. To do this, you just click on it, and then you can either open up by going on your iPad or your iCloud Drive a previously made presentation and adding audio there, or you can create a presentation from scratch. I'm going to choose a blank theme because that's what I like for my presentation. It's a very plain slide. Presentations with audio will be my title. I'm then going to add a couple of items. So I'm going to add a photo, and this is going to improve my pupils' understanding by giving them a relevant image. So here I'm going to insert pupils recording their badminton shots in a PE lesson. I'm going to reorientate that image to really show pupils what's going on. I'm also now going to explain to pupils. So pupils are now getting two different pieces of information to allow them to analyze the situation. So I go to plus whenever I'm adding something, and in this case I'm going to add audio instruction. Pupils respond a lot better to their own teacher's voice than anything else. So, like what I was saying there, once I've finished recording, I can edit my length of video by going to the edit tool in the bottom right, or I can insert it as I want. I can preview it on the bottom left and hear what I was saying. Once I've inserted my audio, I can leave it in the format it is, and you will see the little audio tool with the blue circle around it. If I tap on that, it will play my voice. Pupils respond a lot better, and that can then be paused for a pupil. If I press play, it doesn't automatically play until I tap the slide. Pupils respond a lot better and will stop whenever I close that slide or move the slide on. If I'm happy with that, I can export it as a PowerPoint if I need to make it accessible to a desktop. So the three dots, and then export. I can export it to PowerPoint, and that will play my audio now. I could export it as a movie, which will just play all my slides automatically with the audio playing one after another for each slide. Or I can keep the Keynote slideshow like this. One of the advantages of keeping the Keynote slideshow and allowing your pupils to look at it like this is they can go back and refer and restart the slideshow each time as they wish, which means that they can recap the learning if they haven't quite understood one of your instructions. A massive advantage for you using your audio and your instructions is that pupils respond a lot better to verbal instructions than they do to written instructions. So there you go, how to add audio to a slideshow.